face my shit real quick. Yeah. One C14. I mean, one of them is 14 in the box. The CW0274 would match the location. So all I gotta do is get one of these boxes, and it should say that it's 14 and yeah, quantity 14 inside the box. So boom. Now I put these on this pallet. Electronic pallet jack, carry two of them. Really hydrogen, but hydrogen and electricity run hand in hand these days. And that's it. I be by myself for these shells, but ain't nobody with me. I get to just do this shit. Some of these shit don't range as a fuck. I got an aim way up there. I don't know if you can see the dot. 209. Yeah. After you finish with that, you gotta wrap all your work using this little bar right here. I emptied one out already. Gonna do another. Automatic pallet. Alright, we done got all the way this far. This blue button and then number one. See the blue at the top. When I press number one, that means skip to the next item on the order. Since it ain't no more items on the order, it's time to dock. Now I just log out. The button. 9. And take it to the door. 351. 351, that's our door. We just back it over there. Take this little sticky, put it right here on the corner. After that, see where it say that, hit this enter button real quick until the location box beeping. Then I scan the door. And I'm done. I go back to the desk and get me another order and do it all over again, all day.